Hello folks, so SoundHound comes back down to earth, falling over 7.5% today and filling the gap that was created yesterday morning. In this video, I'm going to talk about how today's move was perfectly normal, expectations for tomorrow's earnings report and what I think about it, my forecast for the next few days, and my game plan. What am I doing with my shares? Now, most of you are not subscribers, so please hit that like and subscribe button to create a community together, and please be aware I'm not a financial advisor and this is for entertainment purposes only. So in my last video, I talked about how today's retracement was likely to happen. I said that if yesterday's gap does not fill, SoundHound may be in hype mode and continue to multiply, but now that the gap has filled, SoundHound may be entering several days of consolidation. Now, consolidation is great for the stock because of four things. A, it allows for the transfer of shares from paper hands to the hodlers or institutions. B, it gives an attractive entry price for new shareholders and entrants. C, it calms down market participants and makes them less prone to making rash decisions. And finally, it gives the company time to make commercial headway in the form of increasing revenues and customer growth, and also to develop new products. So in my opinion, there was nothing sinister or calamitous about today's price action, and I'm perfectly content with it. Next, I want to talk about earnings. Now, this is going to be controversial, but I would like to posit that SoundHound's earnings probably won't matter as much as people think. This is because of two factors. Firstly, SoundHound's fundamentals are so bad already that the market's expectations for earnings are pretty low. And second, SoundHound's rally was not driven by earnings expectations like Nvidia's rally. SoundHound's rally was driven by sentiment and hype. In other words, Nvidia is a growth stock that relies on rapidly increasing earnings, but SoundHound is a hype stock that relies on sentiment to drive its valuation. So there might be some volatility after hours on Thursday when earnings get released, but it will probably be forgotten in a few weeks' time. An exception to this is if the earnings come in really bad or really good. In that case, it might be enough to move the needle and drive the stock lower or higher. Moving on to my forecasts. So I would like to see further consolidation in the stock tomorrow, possibly down 1 or 2%. So that we continue to shake out the paper hands and give the hodlers more time to accumulate shares. However, one thing to look out for is the PCE report tomorrow morning. If inflation comes in hotter than expected, we might witness a sea of red tomorrow, and SoundHound will probably suffer as a result. I'm not expecting a high inflation number, but just be aware that it could get very volatile tomorrow before earnings. Finally, my game plan. So what am I doing with my shares? I continue to hold my shares. I'm not selling or buying for now, just riding out the current consolidation, which may last several days or even weeks. I have mentioned in previous videos that my first price target is $12, and that still stands. If we get there in the next few weeks, I'll probably sell half or even more. However, if we see a collapse in SoundHound for whatever reason, my stop loss is at around $2, but hopefully that will never see the light of day. My entry price is just over $4, by the way. Let me know in the comments below what your entry price is, and hit that like and subscribe button to get instant notifications when I post future SoundHound videos. Alright, see you guys tomorrow.